Yo, what's up guys, CJ right here. How you doing? Welcome back again to my channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated when I drop a new video. Alright, so today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to make an amazing chord progression for your Afrobeat. So I'm gonna be using this free pack which I dropped for you guys some few weeks past. I'm gonna create a new one if you guys desire. All you just need to do is drop your comments and we proceed with that. Alright, so I'm gonna open the drum pack zip file, and then I'm gonna open the Fruity Loops FLP file as well. Okay, so the cause of this tutorial is because a subscriber requested for it, and I believe that this is gonna benefit each and every one of you who are viewing. Please don't forget to leave a comment below and drop a like if you like this video, and watch the video down to the ending for you to get the bonus point of the lesson. Okay, alright, so I'm just gonna quickly play this pack so you guys could hear it. If you have not downloaded this pack before, all you just need to do is click the link below to download this pack. So I'm gonna stand it individually. I'm gonna set the BPM to 95 actually, and I'm gonna start with the shakers, and the shakers is gonna start this way. So playing the shakers is gonna sound this way. We have the shakers playing at this point, then we have the snare coming in, then after the snare we have the conga which is on low level. We have the other snare, and we have the hi-hat, we have the conga, we have the kick, we have some effects and the play around, we have the rolls and the slide up and the clap. Okay, alright, so this is what you're gonna get if you download the drum pack which I made free for you guys to download. Alright, so I'm just gonna go straight to the tutorial and teaching you how to make a melodic melody for your Afrobeats. I'm just gonna import expand. You could use any plugin you desire. Most times I usually use expand. For making a nice keyboard progression. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so I'm just gonna open expand and go to acoustic piano and choose soft layer. I usually utilize that one, mix it with mallet using Celesta Soft, but I make sure the Celesta Soft is totally reduced down to 50%, and probably I pan it to any chant part I want it to be, and it sounds this way. Sorry about that, it sounds this way. Yeah, alright, so I'm just gonna show you the chords. Now whenever you want to generate a chord progression for your instrumental, you must make sure you are feeling the instrumental yourself. So if I play this loop pack for you guys to listen to while it's playing, are you hearing any particular sound you want to add? There are various sounds I'm hearing when I play this. So many sounds I could desire to play, but it depends on you. So if probably you're playing this this drum pack and you're not getting any inspiration, I'm gonna teach you on how to get an inspiration where there's no inspiration from Afrobeats production. But for the sake of this course, I'm just gonna stick straight to chord progression. So I'm gonna be playing on C sharp. Yes, I'm gonna be playing on C sharp, and then let me just take it to the piano roll so you guys could see what I'm actually playing. I'm just gonna be playing two notes, which is this is this and this, this and this. This is those are the two notes I'll be playing, and the sorry, and the way I'll be playing them is this way and then like this. Now you could desire to play your chord progression in any pattern, but for the sake of this course I'm just gonna stick straight to playing a simple chord progression. And let me play it with the beats while it's playing, so it's gonna sound this way. Oh sorry. Alright, so it looks a little bit soft, but that is just the basic style of making a chord progression. But we're not gonna be doing the basic style. We're just gonna make a more advanced one. Okay, let me just stick to the basic one for now. If you guys want me to take the chord progression level to the advanced level, all you just need to do is drop your comments. So I'm gonna stick to the basic. I'm just gonna put in what I just played, which is this and this. So I'm just gonna set it up, and here, then I'm gonna increase the length down to this bar. I'm gonna place this also in the drum pack, this pattern here. Okay, I need to unmute this as well. So I'm gonna put it right here, and then put this second progression, which is after this is this. Yes, so I place it here, boom, boom, and boom. Yep. So if we play it all together, it's gonna sound this way. Okay, so that is how simple it is making a chord progression. Make sure whenever you're playing your drum pack or your drum loop, just make sure you have the tune on your head. If you're not getting a tune, try to sing a song, any song you could compose, or just get a melody from your head, and it's gonna be very easy for you. Don't worry, I'm gonna teach you guys how to get an inspiration where there's no inspiration. So this, if we leave it this way, it's gonna be a little bit boring. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna work on the velocity control, because we don't want everything just to strike this way. It's gonna be so harsh, so we're gonna reduce the volume of whichever note we don't want it to be too loud. We'll increase this velocity range here, and then probably reduce some of them to medium level. Let's reduce that. I'm gonna reduce this one down the way to half, and this one down to this level, and let's hear this. It still sound a little bit harsh, so let's take this one totally low. Let's hear it now. Then we're also gonna do the same for this as well. Alright, so yes, hear it now. So that is how I make a simple chord progression while making my Afrobeats. Don't forget to drop your comments and tell me what you feel about this. The main point of this tutorial is just that when you hear your drum packs or when you are playing your drums, just get a feeling of the kind of progression you want. I'm playing on C sharp, and the tune I already got for this Afrobeat tutorial is these two which I just played, which is this and this. Yes, you could also add, but others are gonna be for an advanced tutorial which I'm gonna teach you. So this is just the basic of you making a nice progression. Make sure it's not totally, don't make the velocity totally full. Let the velocity of each of the sound be leveled. Don't not let all to be just like this. It's kind of a little bit boring when it's too sharp like this. It's too sharp. Just put it this way and it sounds this way, a little bit softer. Alright guys, if you're new on my channel, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so you'll be updated when I drop a new video. Share this video, drop your comments. I'll be dropping another tutorial on an advanced level of making chord progression for Afrobeats. Alright guys, peace out.